Almost everyone who uses Copilot is making the same mistake, and because of that, they are not getting accurate and relevant results. The solution is simple. You just have to configure custom instructions. So let's learn how to do this. Here is the most important setting for Copilot. Go to three dots, settings, personalization, edit instructions. This text box is empty by default. You have to type two kinds of things: your detailed intro about what you do in life and your preferences for Copilot to give response or output to you. Right now, there are no instructions. Now I'm asking Copilot, I have 1 hour free. What should I do? At this point, Copilot is going to give me some generic answer because it doesn't know who I am. Next, I'm changing the custom instruction. Now I'm telling Copilot I am the CEO of a large bank. Let's put exactly the same prompt. And now it's giving me a completely different set of answers because it knows who I am. Now I'm telling it I'm an intern in a retail store in an apparel section. And let's ask the same question. And again, I got a completely different output. So the best practice action item for you: go to personalization, edit instructions, and put two things there. Your detailed intro. What should you put? Here is the list. It's a free form text box. There is no character limit. So write as much detail as you can. After you finish typing your intro, type preferences. What kind of output do you want? Brief or detailed? Bullets or tables? All kinds of things which are relevant. Again, this is not a complete list. These are just suggestions. You can also use this in creative ways. For example, I create a lot of YouTube videos and content. So I have put an additional preference line which says, whatever may be my prompt, give me some ideas for YouTube videos. Another example is, ask Copilot, whatever is the prompt, tell me what my competitor is doing in that context. So without any extra effort, you are getting competitive information. Another example is, you're learning a new language. So tell Copilot, after every prompt, you give response and teach me one new word. Or you're learning a new subject. Ask Copilot to teach you some new topic in that subject. So try this out, do it immediately, and then compare the results without and with the custom instructions. Now, once you save these, Copilot is going to apply these instructions before every prompt. But suppose for a particular prompt, you don't want custom instructions to be taken into account. Then you go to settings, personalization, and just switch it off temporarily. Now close the dialog, give your prompt, and now Copilot will not take into account your instructions. Once you finish with the prompt, remember to go back and enable custom instructions. Otherwise, it'll remain off lifelong. Another related question is, how do I handle multiple roles or personas? Let's say I'm VP Finance, but in addition, I go as a guest faculty in an MBA institute. Simultaneously, I'm also the chairman of Finance Association. So if you want to switch this kind of roles, then you have to create agents. How to do that? Have a look at this video. I have helped all these customers improve efficiency using Copilot. If you're interested, let me know. Contact details are in the description. If you found this useful, like the video and subscribe to the channel so you continue to learn more and work smarter. So that's it for now. See you soon in another video. Thank you for watching.